here's a good extension of this. And here's a good extension of this idea, this thought process, this kind of experiment, this thought experiment that we're talking about right now. So if we think about AI, let's give it a different label, and let's call them LLMs, right? Large language models, because really what I'm referring to is generative AI. So we've gone through the Gartner Hype Cycle. We're in the trough of disillusionment. We're coming out of that right now, in my opinion, meaning there's a lot of companies that have found or implemented AI solutions and they didn't work. Mm-hmm. It didn't produce the fruit that they thought. They had a wacky idea, whatever it was, right? LLMs may not ever gain the traction that they were on the Gartner Hype Cycle trajectory to gain. Meaning, I'll probably never have my own LLM. I don't need it. It's not appropriate for me. And that's why we hit the trough of disillusionment. However, it's the second and third generation adaptations of that technology which are going to explode because of that base implementation. So this is an AI podcast. We're talking about AI. We're talking about AI agents. So what that means in this context is digital assistants, AI agents, chatbots. We're going to use all three of those phrases simultaneously, right? Meaning the exact same thing. Different implementations of the same. They're all rooted in LLM technology. You're not going to get an interactive chatbot that doesn't use a large language model. That tech is not going away. However, very few people actually have the need. Very few companies actually have the need to go spend a couple $1 million building their own LLM. Instead, they're going to build technology, second and third generation technology that stands on the shoulders of giants, right? It's going to sit on top of those LLMs, those large language models. And that's how the technology works right now. If you're not familiar, anybody out there hearing the sound of my voice right now, all of your chatbots, all of your AI agents, all of your digital assistants, the way that they generate their responses to sound human is they go back and they talk to Claude, Gemini, ChatGPT, or another LLM to actually generate the common language response that you see in your chat session. So we take common language.